Okay, so we're factoring trinomials. Let's get started. So we have a squared plus 11a plus 18. Okay, so the first way we're going to analyze is the thing in front of the a squared, right? That's why I put the general formula here. You always want to think about this when you try to factor. If a is equal to 1, which in this case it is, there's no number in front of the a squared, it allows me to open up two sets of parentheses. So that's kind of the first thing you want to look for, right? So this one, the a is equal to 1, it's going to allow me to open up two sets of parentheses. And in those parentheses, I'm going to put a and a as such, okay? Because a times a is a squared. Now, the next thing we're going to analyze are the factors of 18, okay? So if the factors of 18 consist of, what do we got? 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and I believe 3 and 6. That should be all of them. Yeah, so you want to either write these down or think about them. Now, the pair that I need to make 11 somehow, some way, is going to be 2 and 9. But the signs are important, right? So if you make a mistake, you can put +2 and -9. It's okay, but just make sure you change it to the right way, because 2 minus 9 will give me a -7. The proper way to do this is a +2 and a +9, because 2 plus 9 gives me the 11 in the middle. So it's okay to make mistakes. Just make sure you correct them if you have to. So we're going to insert the +2 and the +9. Now, after we insert, we're going to have to run two tests. You don't have to write all this down, but just make sure you do this in your head. The first test being the add test, right? We're going to take the two numbers at face value, +2 plus +9. That gives me the +11, which is in the middle. And the second test is going to be the multiplication test. You're not going to multiply the whole thing out, but you want to look at the numbers. We're looking at +2 times +9, and it has to give me +18, the thing on the right side. So it checks out in this case. So just because it passed those two tests, we can say that a squared plus 11a plus 18 factors into a plus 2 times a plus 9. And that is the final answer. You could multiply this whole thing out using FOIL method if you want to. It's really up to you. I really don't suggest you do that. But yes, that's going to be it for this problem. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Leave your questions in the comment section.